So what is copywriting and where will you find it? Copywriting basically means a marketing text that tries to sell something. But it doesn't need to be a product somebody buys for price X. It can also be the subscription to a newsletter or the follow on a social media page or anything else that is an action. But where do you find now these texts? For example, here on Google, when I type in woman shoes, I will find a lot of search results, about 3.4 billion results, with a lot of links and a lot of products. But of course, you want that people click on your link, your product, instead of the link from the competition. So that is why everything you see here, the headline, the subheadline, and everything else here is basically a copy, because you have the goal that a person does an action, which is in this case the click on the page. And by having this goal in mind, you basically write or already wrote a copy, a marketing text. Free shipping and returns on women's sneakers. So here you have a keyword, you have an advantage in it. This is all for selling this action. And the action is the click on the website. But you will also find copywriting on simple landing pages. This here, for example, is So Plus, a big online shop for animal food and animal toys and so on. And here you have a product which is Cat's Best Original Cat Litter. And here you have a product description. And also this product description has only one goal: to sell. In this case, not the click on a link or on a website, but rather really to sell this product, so that you click here on plus and add to cart. And here you have a bit of information about this product. You have a lot of bullet points with advantages, but also disposal instructions. So also this here on a landing page is a copy. We have that, of course, also on Amazon. Here for that book, you have a description, but this description is not only here to inform a person about the book, but also to make people really buy and read the book. And they did it here by simply summarizing and tease something about the book, but also used a lot of testimonials. So what people think about the book. For example, here we have best-selling author Rianne Fain, who's writing a comment on that or a testimonial. So by doing this, of course, it looks nice on the book cover and in the description, but it is also social proof. And we will talk about all these things I am now mentioning in this course, but they have all, and I can tell you that much already, they have all one thing in common. They help to sell an action or a product. You will also find that on big pages or big web shops like Apple. Here you have the iPhone 14 Pro, you have some features, and of course you have a lot of videos and pictures on this page, but also a lot of text. And the text is what sells the product in the end. Of course, the pictures are good and a very, very good advantage, but all in all, the text is the most important thing here, because this landing page without any text wouldn't be as good as the landing page without any pictures. You will also find some copies in your email mailbox. For example, from newsletters you have, with a lot of pictures of course, but also a lot of text. The same here. I got a mail from Wix. They offer me 50% discount, and they simply wrote here all their benefits. Of course, this is nice for me as a potential customer to read, but it's also good for them because they increased the chance that I click on this button here by giving me more information. Also, this is a copy. But you also find copies on social media. No matter if it is Pinterest, TikTok, Instagram, YouTube. Of course, you have different goals. With some copies, you want to make people click on a video. With other, you want that people click on the link in your description, like here on Instagram. But all in all, you also always have text next to pictures. And some people think that the text on social media is not important. But like we see on LinkedIn, which is really a very good platform nowadays to increase your brand visibility, this is mainly text. So also text posts perform really good. Of course, you cannot do that on TikTok, Pinterest, and Instagram, but here you have the text as a very strong support for your pictures or videos. So, like you see, copywriting is everywhere. You will find copies wherever you are in the World Wide Web, but not only in the internet and online, but also on the streets when you see some offline posters, when you get a business card, or when you simply read a newspaper. But we will talk about all these different things and also some examples of very good copies in this course. So have fun.